something that we all enjoy. I've made several varieties of parathas. Adding to that is today's delicious Paneer Paratha. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First, I'm going to mix the dough. I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a little oil. Gradually pour water and mix the dough. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Close it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. For the paneer filling, I've taken 200 grams of fresh paneer. You can either crumble it with your hands or you can grate it. 1 small sized onion finely chopped. A piece of ginger finely chopped. A few green chilies finely chopped. Next, I'm going to season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Amchur Powder, 1/2 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Next, add a few chopped coriander leaves. Now we're going to make the paneer parathas. Divide the dough into equal balls. Dust a little flour to the rolling surface. Gently roll out the dough ball. Place a little bit of the paneer filling. Seal it from all ends. Pinch off the excess dough. Just start rolling it out gently. Don't add too much pressure. The filling might pop out. So just gently roll it. Heat the tawa. Once the tawa is hot, place the parathas. Cook on both sides. Add a little ghee. Keep the flame on medium-high throughout the cooking process. Once the parathas are fully cooked, remove them from the tawa. Serve it hot with some nice pickle or raita. So there you go. Here are these delicious and hot paneer parathas. Let's best enjoy it with some pickle and curd by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.